Hey everybody, welcome to Character Modeling. That's correct, welcome to Character Modeling Week 5. That's correct, almost halfway through the course. A lot of cool things, so this week is going to be really good. No discussions this week, but we get to do a lot of cool sculpting, and that's really what we're going to be focusing on. So yeah, we're going to continue creating our model of the body of your character, and then we're going to do some sculpting and really add some texturing and some really cool feature work. And some techniques that can do that. So yeah, let's get into that a little bit more. Let's go. So sculpting is a really cool thing we're going to be doing this week. We're going to be doing a lot of experimenting, so that's going to be really awesome. We're going to use some programs that really help do that by using Mudbox. So sculpting, it can really get defined. You can do this in 3ds Max, but you can go even further with programs that bring traditional sculpting techniques to 3D. These focus specifically on modeling of textures and saves animation mainly for 3ds Max and Maya. There's a lot of sculpting patches. There's Mudbox, Blender, ZBrush, many more. And you can do so many techniques with this, like integrating photographic detail, editing stencils, tiling planes, wear and tear. You can do so much with how this can be utilized, and that's what's going to be really awesome about that. Now, there's a lot of different groups that use these type of sculpting programs: artists, video game designers, movie production studios, commercials. There's so many different ways to go about it. Anything that uses a really 3D model aspect and really takes it even further. That's what's going to be awesome. Not only that, you can develop a lot of detail like scars, scales, dents, blemishes, and so much more. But keep in mind, the more you use these programs, the more polygons you're going to tend to use. And when you're trying to do something for optimization, that could get a little difficult. It's great for realistic images. But first thing you really want to do is get good with that low poly image before tackling those massive endeavors and really to go about that in detail. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give you an intro of what we're going to be focusing on. We're going to be using Mudbox as our program this week. Let me show you where we're going to be dealing with this. Sweet. So you can get your assignment here. Also, you can go into the course assignment as well. So what I would like you to do is same thing that we've been doing for a lot of the check-ins. I'd like you to give me an image of a character bust that you can choose one of the templates, or you can make your own, another one, and then just use some of the tools about this. And what I would like you to do is give me a screenshot front or side of that head that you use those tools on, and then in the comments section or in a Word document, please submit not only just the images, but also a Word document or comments that show what type of tools you used and where you used them. And I'd like you to at least use 2 of them. That would be awesome. So that would be great. And then for your character body, so 60-70% done, same thing, front image, side image, or rear image, evenly matched on the dimensions. That way I can see your progress link over there. You should have the torso, the pelvis, probably the arms and the legs, maybe missing just the hands, feet, just some small pieces left to go. And that's pretty much it. So any appendages or anything. If you went to a tail, you have a tail. That would be in this stage. That would be not in this stage, but it would be in the last final stage. But this part should be to the arms and the legs mainly. That's pretty much it. Save hands and feet and appendages later on week 6. That would be awesome. Other than that, that's all I got. These are going to be due on Sunday. Don't worry about a discussion this week. No discussion. Don't have to worry about that. So please make sure to finish your Mudbox assignment and your rubric, or in your second check-in for your character body by Sunday. And that's all I got. So other than that, please be safe, have fun, and enjoy. Let me know if you need anything. Other than that, take it easy. And if you need anything, don't hesitate to holler. All right. Bye-bye.